Hi, I'm Sanna, and I'm one of the Schools Coordinators here at the Humber Outreach Programme, or HOP for short. HOP are part of the National UniConnect programme funded by the government. We provide impartial, free information, advice and guidance about further and higher education across the whole of the Humber region. At HOP, we provide free and impartial information, advice and guidance so that learners can make confident and well-informed decisions about their futures. We deliver talks and workshops on apprenticeships, further and higher education, and we have got free resources available on our website or on our social media such as YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Here at HOP, we have a range of coordinators. We've got schools coordinators who work with year 9s to 13s to help students understand what choices to make after school. Then we've got further education coordinators who work in colleges with learners there to help them with their post-16 routes. Absolutely. Here at the Humber Outreach Programme, we believe that further and higher education should be accessible at all stages of life. Age shouldn't be a barrier. We support adult learners through further and higher education and create an environment where we believe in lifelong learning. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the coordinators. Take it away, Amy.
Hi, my name's Amy and I'm one of the Schools Coordinators for the Humber Outreach Programme. And I look after schools in the East Riding and in Hull. So you might see me in Bridlington, Headlands or Hornsey, Sirius Academy North and West, Holderness Academy, the Marvel College, Rutherford Holby and St Mary's. My fun fact used to be that I was the shortest member of the team, however, then Beth came in.
Hi, my name's Beth and I'm an FE coordinator at HOP. I work with Hull College, Hull 14 to 16 and Franklin College. A random fact about me is I once had 17 degus, which are little rodents if you don't know what they are.
Hi, good morning. My name's Craig Foster. I'm one of the collaborative outreach coordinators in the HOP team. I'm moved over to FE this year from schools and I'll be working with post-16 and FE colleges, East Riding, Bishop Burton, Wyke, Wilberforce, and I've got a little school out on the coast, Widensea, who are new to the programme this year. Okay, so one fun or interesting fact about me is that I've travelled to 96 countries of the world, either working or holidaying or just travelling through. My plan to get 100 was scuppered by COVID in 2020, but I aim to probably catch that in 2022. And the 4 countries I'm targeting are Colombia, maybe one other in South America while I'm over there. I want to go to Belarus and take the train up to Moscow to do Russia as well. And then to hit the 100th, hopefully Greenland and into the Arctic Circle.
Hi, my name's Natasha. I'm one of the collaborative outreach coordinators for HOP. I look after schools mainly in North Lincolnshire. So the schools that I look after are Engineering UTC North Lincolnshire, Frederick Gough, Meliot, St Bede's, Huntcliffe School, Outward Academy Fox Hills, Outward Brumby, Queen Elizabeth High School, South Axome Academy, St Lawrence and the Axome Academy. So a fun fact about me is that I have been a cheerleader for about 6 years. So I've competed both nationally and internationally and won a range of competitions.
Hello, I'm David Stapleton. I'm a Community Outreach Coordinator for the Humber Outreach Programme. My responsibilities include the further education in sixth form colleges on the South Bank. So I'm responsible for the Grimsby Institute of Further and Higher Education, North Lindsey College, John Lacock College and Selby College. A random fact about me is I love to practice and teach Tai Chi. So nothing for me is better than getting up in the morning, taking my shoes off and standing in the garden for half an hour like this.
Hi, I'm Amy and I'm one of the outreach coordinators at the HOP. The schools I look after are Beacon, Cleethorpes, Ormiston, John Whitgift, Oasis Academy Wincham, Havelock, Healing, Winterton, Baysgarth, Casey Yarborough and Sir John Nelthorpe. So an interesting fact about me is that I also write poetry and I've had a few pieces of poetry published in various magazines and some books. And I also attend spoken word nights to read out this poetry.
Hi, it's me again, Sanna, for those of you who might have forgotten. And you can find me in the following schools: Archbishop Centimere Academy, Boulevard Academy, Cottingham High School, Goole Academy, Hessel High School, Kingswood Academy, Mallet Lambert School, Trinity House, Newland School for Girls, and Kelvin Hall. An interesting fact about me is that I am a ballroom and Latin dancer, so I compete every weekend nationally and internationally. However, that means I'm very tired. But if you meet me in any of my schools, do not be afraid to come talk to me. I'll never be too tired to make time for anyone in any of my schools. If you would like to get in touch with any of the coordinators you've met today, head over to our website. There you can find an instant chat function and you can start talking to us about your future today.